So, if that's the sun, I know that now. Yeah. Well, that doesn't matter. Because I'm going to show you how we're doing. Because there's a hurricane coming to Texas. I'm very scared. I've never been to one. Well, I've been to one when I was a baby. Look at that. Here's how we're going right now. Yeah. Look, there's a lot of, well, things happening. That's like full of cars. We have one next to our house, but it's also full of cars. We're about to go to a store to get some more stuff. But if you live in Texas, yes, good luck. Because we need this. We don't need the store, but we need to survive. I'm pretty sure we might. I'm very scared. Plus, we're gonna be out of power for how long again?
5 days.
Out of power for 5 days, no water for 3 days, too. So that's why everyone's going to this one to get some new stuff. And I'm pretty scared because like last time I did this, I said this already. I was a baby. I'm pretty scared today. And luckily I have a Nintendo Switch, I'm charging it. But my phone will always be charging. It's very hard. I'm hoping our house doesn't get flooded. But hey, we made no school. Yay. So I'm just very scared. I don't want to do this again. I'm putting myself to this. That way I know I'm doing good. I'm pretty scared. I don't want to go through this all again. Because last time this happened to me, I was scared. Is that like one time a big dinosaur came and this was like 4? I was scared. I was scared, very scared, like a dragon, like dinosaurs came back to life on Jurassic Park 4. Yeah. So I really, really, really hope we get everything we need. Because I saw the news, basically all the stories are always out of water. And this isn't on a car. We're borrowing this car from our grandparents. And I really hope that they're okay, since the storm is big, and it's on your way. It's on its way to Texas right now. And my grandparents, its aunt and uncle, and their whole family is on a boat. I barely hear it. I just hear. I just worried about that. I'm very worried. There's no something in the back. Very scared. Really hope he's okay. Also, my shirt. I'm not lazy. See, I just really enjoy doing